fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where I do mainly budget videos, sip and sit videos, log videos, and other random videos thrown in here and there. In this week's video, we will be going over last week's budget to see how we did, as well as this week's budget. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started. In our budget from June the 4th through the 10th, in the expense category, I budgeted $800 for mortgage, $203.85 for our utilities, $48 for our gym fee, and $4.50 for our bank fee. That came up to $1,056.35. In our actual category, that is exactly what we spent. In our cash envelopes, I budgeted $110 for lunch, $85 for groceries, $80 for gas, $80 for eating out, $60 for personal, $20 for miscellaneous, and $20 for household. That came up to $455. In our actual category, we spent $60 in lunch, which was a difference of $50, $75 in groceries, which was a difference of $10, $80 in gas, $60 in eating out, which was a difference of $20, $30 in personal, which was a difference of $20. We didn't spend anything in miscellaneous, which left $20, and nothing in household, which left $20. Our actual total came up to $305, which was a difference of $150. In our sinking fund, we budgeted $220, and in our savings challenges, we budgeted $50. That came up to $270, and that is exactly what we spent. In our income versus our expenses, I estimated our income to be $1,892, minus the expenses of $1,056.35, minus the cash envelopes of $455, minus the sinking fund of $220, minus the savings challenge of $50, and minus the carryover of $100. That left a balance of $10.65. In our actual category, our income was $1,892, minus the expenses of $1,056.35, minus the cash envelopes of $305, which was a difference of $150, minus the sinking funds of $220, minus the savings challenge of $50, and minus the carryover of $100. That left a balance of $160.65, which was a savings of $150. In our budget from June the 11th through the 17th, in the expense category, I budgeted $298.07 for our cable, $180 for our car insurance, $48.49 for our home alarm, $16.15 for Audible, $14.03 for Amazon Prime, and $13.99 for Netflix. That came up to a total of $570.73. In our cash envelopes, I budgeted $110 for lunch, $85 for groceries, $80 for gas, $80 for eating out, $60 for personal, $20 for miscellaneous, and $20 for household. That came up to $455. You will see a difference in this because we will not be here this week. Some of this will go into our pockets and some of it will go into vacation. In our sinking funds, I budgeted $220, and in our savings challenges, I budgeted $50. That was a total of $270. In our income versus our expenses, I estimate our income to be $1,426.28, minus the expenses of $570.73, minus the cash envelopes of $455, minus the sinking fund of $220, minus the savings challenge of $50, and minus the carryover of $100. That leaves a balance of $30.55. So fam, that is all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye fam.